What if I told you that most of the Urolithin A you're taking never actually reaches your cells? You aren't just taking a supplement, you're fighting a biological bottleneck. Urolithin A is the gold standard for a mitophagy, the process of clearing out junk mitochondria to restore cellular energy. But there's a catch. In its conventional form, your body views it as a guest that needs to be shown the exit. Your gut and liver rapidly convert it into conjugate sulfates and glucuronides that are flushed away before they can do their job. You're increasing the dose, but you aren't increasing the results. At ECA, we don't just increase the bioavailability, we upgrade the delivery. Our ReaLipo Liposomal Urolithin A encapsulates the molecule in a phospholipid bilayer that mimics your own cell membranes. This Trojan horse delivery bypasses premature metabolism, protects the bioactive state, and supports alternative uptake pathways. It's not just about what you take, it's about how much your tissues actually receive. The research is clear. Systemic exposure determines biological activity. By using our engineered platform with optimized particle sizing and encapsulation efficiency, we've created a delivery system that maximizes exposure opportunity. We've moved from dosage heavy to exposure smart. Restore your mitochondrial quality control. Unlock long-term metabolic resilience and cellular power. Don't settle for surface-level results. Choose smarter exposure with ECA's ReaLipo Liposomal Urolithin A. Upgrade your delivery today. Request samples and learn more about our innovative ingredients and solutions.